Hello everyone, hope everyone is fine and survived this crash that we had during the weekend and today. First of all, I want to apologize about my last video that all of a sudden I turned bullish. Well, I know the reason why I did it, and personally for me it was one of the biggest mistakes that I could ever done. I was not very careful and didn't stick to my first plan that I shared a few days ago. Let me go to YouTube and I will show you the videos that I'm talking about. So this one here I told you about my view, why I'm bearish. Let me go to SP 500 and okay, I don't have timeline. So yeah, I was expecting this move, but after FOMC, I mean not after, but during the FOMC, there were some bullish signs, and because of some reasons, I got very bullish, like extreme. And honestly, I don't feel myself good about this because I had still to stick to my first plan, because on Friday evening I closed my shorts that I had, and I had really good shorts. I was shorting XRP that at the end came to all the targets, and some other coins and Bitcoin and Ethereum, even though they got stopped because of the small pump. But overall my view was still bearish, and what happens, it happens. So I want to apologize. But what I want to talk about right now, I hope that you were paying attention to the certain levels that I was talking about in the videos, not only in this video but in previous videos all these days, you know, because I said that if we will not break certain levels, then we will not go to do new all-time high. If we will close below certain level, it means then probably bearish trend will continue, you know. And of course, I always say to check wicks. I always say to check USDT dominance. Unfortunately, like Friday late night, because of the difference of the time zone, you know, it was super late for me and I was tired and I never checked the market again. Then whole weekend I was busy with my family, we had birthdays, and today I was super busy with my mom's health. So I just like finished with everything, have time, and can clearly, without any rush or emotions, check the whole market. So I will not now say if it is the bottom or not. I think this time I will just work from level to level and just will give you certain levels to which you should pay attention, because even when I was going to sleep on Friday, I said if USDT dominance will have a close above 4.05, it means we're closing longs and we're turning bearish. Then next support resistance zone is 4.24, and next one, this one, and the last one, this area. About this area I was talking in previous videos as well. So I hope that even though this video was extra bullish, and I apologize for that, I hope you still had clear mind and you were checking all these levels that I was talking about, you know, and you were careful. As also another thing, like today in the morning I could briefly go through the main charts, like BTC dominance, USDT dominance, Bitcoin itself, and Ethereum. Okay, then check SP500, and I gave you levels from where we can expect certain reaction. Let's go quickly to Bitcoin dominance. We can see that I was expecting a bearish reaction from this area. And if we will go now to Bitcoin dominance, what we have exactly a bearish reaction from this area, right? If we go to USDT dominance, we can see that the dominance came exactly to this level, and look at this reaction. It pumped 13%, it dumped 13%, right? Then let's go to Bitcoin. I have several charts. I think this one. Yeah, look, I highlighted this level. We came a bit below. We didn't touch, unfortunately, 89,852, and look how we bounced, right? So even if you bought here, it's already up 5%. If you start buying here, it's already 8%. Okay, so we have the bounce. And the last one is Ethereum. Let me go. Moment. Yes, we can see this level. What do I have here? It went lower, but I think in some videos I was talking that it may come to this area, or maybe I was writing it in Discord, I don't remember. So at the end we can see how it bounced. Look how perfectly Fibonacci worked, how it came to this Fibonacci level and gave this crazy bounce. 25%. It's crazy. So yeah, again, I apologize for this. I'm really ashamed. It was my huge mistake. I will try to not do things like that anymore, especially when I was whole months, I think from December, so bearish, waiting for this crash, calling for something that would look like a code crash, and then at the end, at the exact end, I completely changed my mind, and it's terrible. So okay, let me check the market, because I didn't check anything after this post. I didn't have any time. I was fully focused on my mom. So now I will start checking the market, and we will see what is going on, and I will tell you to which levels pay attention, and from which levels bullish trend long term may continue, and from which levels bearish trend will continue. So I will start as usually from SP500. So SP500, let me delete this. What we can see, let's go back to the history a bit and show me again why I was so bullish. First of all, SP500 could manage to hold this level, 6,000, and we can see how aggressively buyers were buying at this level. You can see the candles with long wick below, and usually this means that bulls are trying to take control of this level. But unfortunately, here I already was not checking the market. If I would check the market, of course, I would warn everyone that, okay, guys, we had not a good close, and we had really strong sell-off. It's better to the risk, close some positions if we haven't profit, not open any longs. and look how the crypto market will react. Because what do we have here? We have here next. First of all, we came to this gap. We could go above, but we didn't break above this previous high on one time frame. And then if you can see here, we have this 1 hour FVG. So this 1 hour FVG was standing as a resistance. I will highlight it with this. No, let's make it blue. So what do we have? The price came on 1 hour. Okay, it didn't close with the body of the candle above this FVG level or this small highs that you can see over here. This one. So next candle, it closed with a body, but look, it had this huge red candle. Okay. Which is usually means a question, like you don't know if it will continue or not. Then we had this candle, so 1, 2, 3 hours it was just fighting over here. And what do we have? Excuse me, I need to delete this. What do we have on RSI? On RSI, okay, we don't have anything on 1 hour. So yeah, it was fighting, it couldn't hold, and then we had this boom, huge red candle. And what did this candle do? It closed below this resistance zone. So this was already a signal to just sell or close your longs and either open shorts or just wait. Okay, what do we have after that? First flush, second, third, fourth, it was just nothing. Okay, it could hold this level. Technically speaking, on 1 hour time frame, it could become bullish only if after this candle we had a green candle, as for example here. Okay, but at this point we had market closed for the whole weekend. And what do we have today? We have this huge gap, because in pre-market, no, after-market was closed officially. They have a pre-market, and I think it's called also after-market, something like this. So they were selling at this time. So who trade stock market, I recommend to not leave a position during the weekend, because we may see this kind of gaps, and we don't know where this gap will go up or down. Okay, so this is what we got right now, and now the price came to the level that I was also waiting. Okay, this level is very important. And what do we have here? We have a nice bounce of 1.75%. It is a lot for the stock market. For crypto market, it's nothing, but for stock market, it is a lot. Okay, so we had here this. The price almost came to this gap that we have here, but we still have the 6,000 levels that is still crucial and important to break to continue going higher. Okay, right now on 1 hour, for me, it's nothing. It's in the middle of this level and this level. It doesn't tell me anything. On our side, the same. Let's go to other time frames. Let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour. I think I will delete this. I don't need it anymore. 4 hours, same. Like it's nothing. Nothing, I would say nothing, because still it's in the middle. 4 hour will close in 17 minutes, and this candle just doesn't mean for me anything. Let's go to other time frame. 6 hour doesn't look positive so far. Let me also turn on EMAs. So let's go to daily. What do we have on daily? Daily looks so far negative, even though we are holding above 100 EMA. So there are several possibilities. Either the price will just consolidate at around this level, and will show something similar that we had here. And now it just consolidating, shows some bullish divergence. It holds a certain level on RSI on a daily time frame, and for me it's interesting to look at 37.80 89. So on RSI it should hold this. Either it may go a bit lower, which means we may have something similar like we had here. And if you're watching all my previous videos, I was always saying, like, the faster we go down, the sooner we will recover. So I will be honestly happy if we will just come to this 200 EMA, and this will be the bottom, because every time the price was coming to 200 EMA, it was showing this crazy run. Here 200 EMA, here 200 EMA, and so on. And then we had a crazy and long-term run. So I will be really happy if we will come to this level. Like this level for me will be safe level to long, because here it's still risky. It could hold 100 EMA as it did, for example, here in September 24, here, for example, and give a run. So what I would say right now, I still expect the price to go down on RSI for sure, to reach this level 37.89, which means for me either the price will just do something like this. For example, today we have green, tomorrow we have green, then boom, again down, then again like this, and then it will recover. This is one possibility. And so the price just plays on this EMAs, okay, and shows us some bullish divergence or something like this. Another possibility, the price comes up, rejects it, close below 100 EMA, and then boom, and we have some V-shaped recovery, as we did here, and this will be real good signal to start accumulating long-term positions. Okay, it's not about crypto, but also about stock market, because everything correlates in the market. So this is right now the scenarios that I see on a daily time frame. High time frame, I don't want to talk about this right now, because I think it's not necessary. If I go to 1 hour, to 4 hour time frame, let me check what we can have. 4 hour time frame. Yeah, so 4 hour time frame, we have, I don't need this right now, we have this FVG levels, we have here 200 EMA, but we have this, maybe it's just a little bit of hidden bullish divergence. It looks just too equal for me. But if I will just take Fibonacci from this level to this level, then what do we have? We can see that currently, I think I will delete this one as well. We have this area to watch. So this area should be broken, then this resistance zone. Okay, and we're talking about 4 hour. So the price may come here, reject, or it may break out, retest of this 0.618 zone, go higher, and then either reject or will continue going up. So something like this. So this level is really important, then this level is really important to not lose, because if we will see close below this candle, then most probably it will go down. And as I said, I would be personally happy to see the price at 200 TMA, and I was telling about this in previous videos as well, if you remember, of course. So this is now about SP500. Now let's go to wicks. Finally, wicks. This I will delete, it's not relevant anymore, it was my huge mistake. So what do we have here? What do we have? If we go to 1 hour, we can see that this was on Friday. Yeah, it was on Friday, and we can see this huge candle on wicks that was closed above 16.23. If you were reading my market updates, watching my videos, I was writing this, that this level is important as a support. Okay, what do we have right now? So the price closed with the body on this level, and as a result it showed us this huge pump, and as you can see, this huge pump of 25% completely dumped the market. That's why it's very important to check wicks. I'm explaining you all this stuff, so next time if I'm not available to write on time about the situation in the market, you should have your own brain. You should just go to wicks, go to USDT dominance and other important indexes and check yourself. Check these levels, see how the 1 hour close was, what's going on. This will give you an understanding of what is going on and what you should do. Okay, so please don't rely on anyone and try to have your own how to say it, wait, your own critical view, okay, of the situation. I try to say it often, but I think from now on I will just say it every time in every video. So as a result, we had this pump, and look how it perfectly rejected from 20.35. This level was standing for me as a resistant level, because if you just go to the history, you can see how it rejected here, and how only when it had a close on 1 hour with the body on this level or above, it was showing us a pump. So which means that this level is really important, and right now it is fighting below this level. So as long as it is below, it is positive. But for us, what is perfect? For us would be perfect to see the price first of all below 200 TMA, then below 16.23, and this area, especially this area. So far it's really holding this 14.6 level. Okay, and if we go to other time frames, we can see that currently it bounced from 4-hour FAG, and if I will put Fibonacci like this, or not. I will not put Fibonacci. FEG works pretty well. Let's go to daily time frame. What do we have on daily time frame? First of all, we have the price above 200 EMA. Usually the high time frame, if the price is above 200 EMA, it means a bullish, the strength of bulls, and it means that VIX is currently looks bullish. Then we have this RSI, it is above 50. Again, it is above 50. And as I was telling previous videos, I would want to see on daily time frame wicks coming to this area, 70 to 80. And if you check, you can see that every time it is coming on a daily time frame on RSI to this area or above 70, this was for us the top on weeks and the bottom in the market. In the market, it means SP 500, Bitcoin, crypto, just 90% of the market. So, which means that if we have still bullish signs, means that SP 500 will still go down. It is the only thing is a matter of the time. And what do we have right now on 2D time frame? First of all, we can see this that the price is above 200 TMA. Even on 2D, the RSI is above 50. We have 3 hours left. The candle so far looks pretty bullish. So either tomorrow we should have a really red day for weeks or really bullish day for SP 500. In this case, the price will continue dropping and it will be a bullish sign for the market. Either we will have another green day on weeks and it will bring another volatility. Let me check now 3D. 3D so far also looks pretty bullish. Look, we have 2 days and 4 hours for the 3D close. So either it will close below 200 EMA or 17, let's say, or it will mean that most probably it will break this time this resistance zone and will go higher. Higher and weekly same is trying to go up. I have one indicator that I really like. It's this one, and it usually helps me to identify if the momentum is coming. Moment. Yes, here it is. Usually, like it's a small trick that I use. Usually when you see this orange line very close with this blue line, it means that soon the momentum will come. It means that soon either a huge pump, in this case pump, in the opposite case dump will come to have a cross over here. As example, I can show you, for example, okay, let's say this orange, this blue, and to cross between each other, it gave us this huge pump. Okay, so I expect that either this week, either next week, like this month, we should have another pump on weeks. And as I said many times, I want to see on RSI, weeks on RSI to come to this level. And this will be a top signal for weeks and bottom signal for the market. So please keep an eye. As I said again, if I will not update you on time, you should be able to think on your own, okay, and make decision on your own. So this was about weeks. It still looks bullish, no changes. We will see how it will be tomorrow, but so far it looks strong. Either this upcoming days, tomorrow or after tomorrow, it will give us a pump, or if tomorrow it will close bearish, or even 4 hour is enough for us. We don't have to wait for daily time frame. Or on 4 hour, it should be below this 200 TMA or below this FVG. If it will manage to close below this, then most probably it will come lower. Then I would pay again attention over here. Yeah, so this was weeks. So I think I will continue with DXY because we have really interesting structure over here. I was talking about this as well in previous videos, and I said that somewhere over here we may see a pump on DXY, and as we can see exactly from this area, the pump occurred, and again it's testing this resistance area. So currently there are several possibilities. Either the price will just continue jumping on this EMAs that we can see here, or as I draw over here, like it's still relevant and I will just leave it as it is. Either the price will break below this area that we have here, or 107, let's say $107.5, or no, 107.2, and it will mean that probably we'll have this scenario and the price will finally decline to this area. So right now it's 50-50. We need to see how the price will continue its action at this area. If we will see the close of the daily candle with the body, not as we can see here, you see it was still below. If we will see with the body, it will mean that most probably the price will continue going up, probably slowly, and will give another momentum towards to this resistance zone. So another pump, and it will be, of course, not that good for the rest of the market. Moment. Yeah, we will see. We'll see how it's gonna play on a daily time frame. So far it looks strong. Let's see how it's gonna be tomorrow. Quickly about gold. Still strong, still bullish. I'm still expecting the price to come to this target, and then probably we'll have some strong bearish reaction. Also, if we will look on RSI on daily time frame, we can see the situation over here when it did a new all-time high, and then it was just consolidating, and then another crazy pump. And look at this structure. Can we have the same? Probably. So it is hard to say when gold will be topped. So right now, just follow the trend, and we will see. We will see how it will play out. So far, this is the nearest resistance that I can see. Probably after that, it may retrace and then continue going higher. Let me talk about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I have these two levels that I highlighted. And we came to this level and dropped below, and unfortunately we didn't, not we, but Ethereum to Bitcoin did reach this level and had a really nice bounce, but still the structure on a weekly time frame is bearish. Even if I go to monthly, looks interesting. Monthly looks, if we're talking about RSI, it looks like it came to this oversold condition, and really soon it should start the reversal. Just a moment. yeah, even on daily. In daily, I would want to see it come, it reaches this lower level, but still, as we can see, let me check this, I think, period. Look, on our side came on super oversold condition, it bounced on our side then again and showed this strong bullish divergence on daily time frame on this 20 levels on our side. So probably I would want to see something similar when the price is completely down somewhere over here, and then we see here bullish divergence, and this will be the strong signal that the price is reversing. This I will delete, I don't need it, but this one I will need so far. This as well. So this is just a short video about Ethereum Bitcoin, because I know that most of you follow this, and now I will go to next. So let's go to total 3 or altcoins versus Bitcoin. Yeah, on last video I said that it was holding perfectly 200 EMA, but even 200 EMA may be a weak support zone. So what do we have as a result? The price dropped. Like, first of all, we had this close below 7.5 now 9, and then we had this crazy down towards the 6.48. From the chart side, from technical side, it looks like it bottomed for now, but I don't like the fact that right now we're below this 200 EMA, below this strong support area. Yeah, support area. So this area right now will stand for us as a resistance. So it means that either this price will come here and then come back to feel this wick that we have here, you know. So it will show us double bottom on a daily time frame, and after that it is important to see again this kind of bullish bounce in a chart. This will mean that, okay, probably the bottom is in and we can go up finally. Let me check also a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we still have 6 days for the weekly close. So if we will have a close like that, for example, let's say the candle will close like this, you know, and with a long wick, it will be perfect because this will show a strong bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, which is strong signal, can be a strong signal and a sign that probably the bottom is in and we will go higher. Of course, for me, it would be good to see a weekly close above 7.59. Okay, only after that we may expect that the price may come again to this area at 8.72, which will stand as a resistance zone. We have here also FVG level, we have here 200 TMA. So a lot of reasons to get rejected, okay, which means that probably from here altcoins will again show their weakness, and only if we will have a close above this level with some confirmation, only after that it will mean that, okay, everything is good, everything is nice, and we'll go higher. So for now, even if I go to lower time frame, the price shows us weakness. You see that it can't break. Let me do it like this. Look, we have this candle, then we have this huge red candle. This is where we had this crash, right? So right now, if we want the price to come to this level, we need to see the 4-hour candle to close above 7.28, which means above this area where the drop began. Okay, it means that we have the V-shape reversal. Only after that we may be sure that the price will continue going higher. And then next resistance zone will be this area. Okay, this area. So next we need to see the price breaking above this area. If, for example, we'll see the candle right now closing below 7.28, it will mean that the price will go back to this area. Okay, and then we will have to again see the bullish reaction at this price level. So yes, right now it's 50-50 because we still have 1 hour and 33 minutes for the 4-hour close. So Ethereum, let's come here. Yeah, as I shared on Twitter and other Discords, I said this, that I'm expecting a bounce from here because we had here also daily FVG level. It's really strong support area. I guess we have here some EMAs or not. Let me check. What's wrong with my internet? Okay, no. So yeah, and also we have here this Fibonacci level, 41 and 1.61. Usually it's a strong area, and usually in most cases the price holds this area and bounces. But now today we had a really strong sell-off and the price went even lower. About these prices I was writing in Discord that we may see this area. Of course it doesn't sound really good. Right now I will make just a new setup. I had a long and I got stopped. I will delete, oh maybe wait. Okay, I will leave this level, so I will leave this. Now let me just check some other time frames. Okay. High time frame, I don't want to talk about this right now. Let's go to 4-hour. So 4-hour time frame. As I said about this altcoins versus Bitcoin, we have currently the same price action, right? You can look at this and look at this chart. Same, just the same. So nothing for me here. We can put Fibonacci if we want, and we will highlight this area as a resistance zone. Okay, and the price may come here and reject again, and if it rejects, for example the price came here, then I'm sorry, so most probably so it came here, rejected, doing something like this, and most probably it will come back to fill this wick. So let's say currently this is for us the resistance zone, and this is for us support zone on 4-hour time frames. Okay, keep an eye on these two zones. Only if the price will break above this 0.75 on 4-hour, okay, and then we'll show some consolidation with probable possible breakout. And if we see the price closing above 200 EMA, then most probably the price finally will continue going up towards the $4,000. Otherwise, if we see the price coming to this area and starts again reject, and most probably the price will decline. We can take a stop just above this 200 EMA, and short the position towards these targets. And here I would suggest to book significant profit and see what the price is doing. If we see that the price closing below 0.618, 0.75, then most probably it will continue going down towards this area. This will be your next big target, okay? Or if we see that the price comes here and it gives us this kind of bounce, this will mean that, okay, most probably the bottom is in for Ethereum. We can start accumulating bigger position. We can start now take longs with bigger sizes, and just hold until we see the breakout again of this area. So this is about Ethereum on 4-hour time frame. I don't want to talk about weekly, monthly. It makes no sense unless we break one of these levels. USDT dominance. Let's go to daily. Okay, daily looks good. I mean, it looks bearish. Yeah, it had amazing reaction from this zone. I will delete it for now. I probably will still leave at this level. It works pretty well. I will leave this level, and yeah, I will just leave all these levels that look pretty very important. Do we have FEGs? We have FEGs. And just let me quickly check all time frames. 2D, 3D, we still have time, weekly. Okay, let's start from weekly time frame. Probably will have the same picture now on Bitcoin. But okay, let's talk about USDT. So what do we have? We have nice bearish reaction from 50 EMA on weekly time frame, or we have nice bearish reaction from weekly FEG from this Fibonacci levels. Usually all these important levels, they come to they are all together in one place, like either there's EMAs, FEGs, or Fibonacci. What I can say, as long as price is below 200 EMA on weekly, the trend is bearish. This can be a bearish retest, from these EMAs, and the percentage of the USD dominance will continue declining. For that, it's crucial to see how the weekly candle will close. If it will close, moment. I will lose the FAGs. Let's say I will take this level and I will put it here. If we will see a close above this level, 4.48, why did I choose it? First of all, we have here this weekly FEG. Okay, second, if we just look on a weekly time frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, the USD dominance was rejected from this area, and this area also stands as a resistance zone, and this is where the huge drop began on USD dominance. And if we just look at this candle, we can see how it bounced from this level before, so it was also standing as a support. So what we may have right now, if we will see, like, it's a bit high time frame technical analysis, okay? If we will see weekly close above 4.48, this will be not a positive sign. Then it will mean that most probably the price will retest again this area before either again showing bearish reaction, or it will break the bearish trend and will continue the bullish trend, which will last pretty long. Okay, it may come even here. This will be not positive for the entire crypto industry. It's like 40% almost up. No one wants it. Okay, so this is first, it's weekly time frame. Then we should not see a break above middle on RSI on weekly time frame again. Now let's go to lower time frames. 3D. We still have 2 days and 6 hours for the 3D close. So let's say I don't want to see a 3D close above this level. In this case, most probably user dominance will give another 7 to 13% of the pump, which is not good for the Bitcoin and entire crypto. If we will have on 3D close below 4.24, this will be a positive sign, and it will mean that it will decline back to these areas of 4.05, 3.81, which will be very positive for the crypto. Okay, let's go to 2D. 2D, we have 5 hours left until the close. For me, will be again positive to see below this area, and negative if it will close above. If it will close the way it is, it means that it's 50-50. It probably will chop, either will come here or here. Okay. Now let's go to daily. Daily, we still have 5 hours, nothing for me. And now let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour looks right now bearish, and the most probably it will come to this area and may bounce. So please pay attention how next 4 hour will close. Okay, so it's important to see how today how today's candle will close. Okay, the most positive will be if we will see a close below 4.14. This will mean that most probably it will decline and go back, and this will be a positive sign for the crypto. So just working level by level. Here, if you have longs, I suggest you to start booking your long positions at this area and then this area. And if you will see bullish reaction, some consolidation, you can try to take short positions on altcoins. And keep your shorts until USD dominance comes here, then it comes here, and so on. So every level is important. Okay, you can just look at these levels and play with your positions, long, short, and so on. Now let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Okay, good. We had this reaction here, still strong, still very strong, even though on our side finally came to this box on daily, but weekly it looks like it will still pump. Keep in mind it can still go here, so again we should like this week is really important to see how it's gonna close, how even it's really very important to see how tomorrow will, like, every day is really important. Okay, every day may change a lot of things for the future actions. So right now, if we want to have finally bull run, we need to see Bitcoin dominance to be below this two red levels. In this case, it will go down. Otherwise, as long as it's above this area, it's bullish and it has a chance to go even higher. So finally, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin shows positive signs right now. Yeah, it looks so good. But we still have 6 days for the weekly close. As I said, I'm looking for this level, and this level. I shared it on Twitter. So what is from here? Probably I will delete this. I don't need it for now. Yes, every day is important day for us. As I was talking before. What is good is that the price is still holding above this area. So let's say $90,000, which means that this level is the most important level that we should look at. Not even $100,000, but $90,000. As long as Bitcoin is above 90K, it means there's a chance to make a new all-time high is higher rather than we will go to this area. All right, so far again it bounced from 100 EMA. It showed a really good result, but we have a lot of resistance zones. And let me put Fibonacci. If I put Fibonacci, we have this area. I will make it red. Okay. So either the price will come now and reject, which I expect to see, and it will come back to this area to fill these gaps on this week. For example, I can show you, for example, we had here big bounce, and after some time the price came to the middle of this week, right? Then it had a nice bullish trend, then it came back again, this 91K area, again this crazy week on a daily time frame, then bearish reaction and back to retest this zone. So okay, it sounds terrible that but we can play like this pretty long, as long as we're holding above 90K. So what can I say? Let's just trade level by level. Whenever price comes here, as long as it's not breaking above $105,000 area, there is no new all-time high. Okay, as long as it rejects open shorts and hold it to this area easily. Okay, as long as it gives again crazy bullish reactions from here, you can start longing and again look at this reaction. So just play between these levels. It sounds super annoying. Honestly, I'm tired, everyone is tired, but this is what the market is doing all this months since December. All right, so if we will have daily close, let me do it like this. If we will have daily close and then the price is strongly holding above this area, then it will go higher. So this was all about Bitcoin. yeah, just let's work level by level. Let's see what is US market doing. Let's please check wicks, which is really important. We still have 2 hours, and in 2 hours everything can change. We may become like really bullish. Maybe this was bottom, you know. So yeah, let's see. Let's work just level by level. About altcoins, I would say next definitely accumulate spot positions. Just if we're talking about trading, currently I'm not sure to take any swing trades, even though honestly I didn't check. Wait a second, let me go to, let's go to Doge. But moment. Actually, yeah, I would say if there will be like again like double bottom, you know, the lower time frame, if the price will reject and come back to this area, I would say look for longs. Yeah, probably, hopefully, like this shakeout will not last long. You know, maybe this is finally the bottoms that we were expecting, because I can see that most prices came to really strong support levels. This is definitely a good time to buy and accumulate a spot. Even XRP and other coins, like all of them, they look really good to buy. And as I was saying many times and writing many times, altcoins can be really volatile, you know. They can recover pretty fast. Like, yes, we had this crazy dump, but look, the price is already almost at this buy levels that I had on TIA. So it's just let's say 15-20% far away from my entry, you know. So yeah, just accumulate here your positions, or if you bought altcoins during this dump, you did really good job. Now all we need is patience and see how this week will close. See how yeah, just let's work level by level. But so far from what I see, it's really good reaction. Okay, so let's see how the prices will break through this resistance zones. Look at this price action. Amazing. If we will have now breakout, this will be just really good sign. So yeah, this was all for today. Another thing that I wanted to say is that it's a small announcement that I joined this group today, Crypto Rise group, and honestly I could only dream about it. So from now on, I will be fully working for CRG, like all my technical analysis, streams, educational videos, everything is gonna be here. So feel free to join if you like my work, and all the members that in my private Discord, they will be also relocated here. So yeah, this is all for now. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Again, I'm sorry for the last video, last analysis. I hope that I will not make same mistakes anymore. I will try to have my mind completely clear. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. It's a late night here and I'm super tired, and I will try to update altcoins and start trading from tomorrow. For now, I have only this. If you like this video, I would really appreciate your likes, comments, and if you will share this video with other people. It will really motivate me to do more for you, to share more information, because you can see I don't do just technical analysis, but I explain every time frame. I explain why this level is important, why that level is important, why it's important to hold certain level, you know what will happen. Like I try to say a lot of possibilities in of the further price action, let's say, you know. So I think I give a lot of value and a lot of information and a lot of educational content in my technical analysis. By the way, I just noticed that we have here bullish divergence. See, price higher, RSI is lower, price lower, RSI is higher. So most probably the bottom is in. Don't panic, work level by level, check all these indices that I was talking about. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and join CRG. Why I said it was my dream, because here they have really professional traders, especially Osbrach. I really respect him a lot, and I've been following him for I think 1.5 years, and I would never expect that I will join this place, and I'm super excited to work and make this place one of the best Discord places in crypto industry or in trading industry. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you again, and see you next time.